Hi everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Step into the enchanting world of Christmas home decor, where festive magic transform your space into a winter wonderland. As the holiday season approaches, there is no better time to infuse your home with the warmth, joy, and beauty of Christmas. In this video, we will embark on a festive journey exploring the art of decorating home decor for the most wonderful time of the year. Picture a home adorned with twinkling lights, fragrant evergreens, and the delightful sound of carols in the background. Christmas home decor is not just about aesthetics, it is about creating an atmosphere of love and togetherness. Join us as we unwrap a treasure trove of Christmas decor ideas that will make your home a haven of holiday spirit. Whether you are a seasoned decorator or someone eager to embrace the magic of Christmas, our insights and tips will guide you every step of the way. Join us as we unwrap a treasure trove from classic red and green themes that evoke nostalgia to modern and chic interpretations that suit contemporary taste. We will explore a wide array of ideas for decking the halls, walls, and every corner of your home. Discover how to select the perfect trees, adorn your mantle, and create dazzling tablescapes that leave a lasting impression on your guests. We will also delve into practical DIY projects, budget friendly solutions, and where to find the perfect ornament and decor items to match your style and budget. Christmas home decor is about making your home a canvas for holiday memories. But that is not all. We will provide advice on creating festive outdoor display settings up a cozy and inviting atmosphere and incorporating cherished traditions into your decor. Whether you are hosting gatherings of loved ones, celebrating an intimate settings, and simply want to embrace the spirit of Christmas, this video is your source of inspiration and guidance. Christmas home decor is about creating an environment where the love and joy of the season can truly flourish. Don't forget to show your support by hitting the like button, subscribing our